Hi, good day. Welcome to Excel Academy. In this video, we shall be looking at question 1 on relevant costing. The iLife Co. makes sofas. It has recently received a request from a customer to provide a one-off order of sofas in excess of normal budgeted production. The order would need to be completed within 2 weeks. 2 weeks is the duration of the order. Then the cost estimates which have been prepared are as follows, which means the accountant must have prepared this cost estimate. Then let's read the note. The fabric is regularly used by HL Co. So we would highlight regularly used. So it is regularly used. Since it is regularly used, we are going to use the current replacement cost or the market price. We would use the current replacement cost or the current market price as the relevant cost. We would determine the relevant cost. We now have the total relevant cost, and we have fabric. The relevant cost of fabric would be, here there are currently 300 M2 in inventory. You get that is the material is M2. The cost price for the 300 M2 is $17 per M2. Then the current purchase price is 17.5. That is what we are going to use. And here now we needed 200 M2. The relevant cost will now be 200 M2 multiplied by the current market price of 17.5. That will give us 3,500. Move to the second one. Here now what we are doing here is the materials, right? So we say direct materials. It's the second material, which is wood. This type of wood is regularly used. You would highlight regularly used. It usually costs $8.2 per M2. However, the company's current supplier's earliest delivery time for the wood is in 3 weeks. But an alternative supplier could deliver immediately, but they would be charged 8.5 per M2. HL Co. already has 500 M2 in inventory, but 480 of this is needed to complete existing orders in the next 2 weeks. The remaining 20 M2 is not going to be needed until 4 weeks time. We need to complete this order in 2 weeks. We need to determine the price at which we would value the 50 meters that is needed. So in this scenario, this 20 M2, we are going to value it based on our current market price. 20 M2 that is in the inventories will be valued at the current market price. The balance of 30 M2 will be purchased. So it will be purchased from the alternative supplier. Now the relevant cost of the wood should be, first of all, the 20 M2 that would value based on the current market price. The current market price here is how much? 8.2. They said it usually costs $8.2 plus the 30 M2 multiplied by, so the alternative supplier would supply it at 8.50 per M2. Valid based on 8.50, then that would be 164 plus 255. If you add that together, we would have 419. So you would recognize it here. Say wood working notes 2 419. So let's administration overhead, which is 10% of production. So in labor costing, the administrative overhead now, no, it is not an additional cost. Do you get it now? So here now we will not consider it as a relevant cost. Thank you very much for your audience. Ensure you refer Excel Academy to your colleagues.